What's going on YouTube? This is Wally right here. Welcome back to my kitchen. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a strawberry banana milkshake.
God damn, it's a pretty fucking good milkshake.
Stay tuned and watch me to see how easy it is to make this milkshake.
Be my guest.
Look what we need. Frozen strawberry, a banana, milk, and simple syrup. Well, we have all the ingredients, so let's get started. And there you have it, the strawberry banana milkshake. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, press the like button and share this video with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.